All right, so somebody posted wanting to know about the posters in the background, so I thought I'd do a video on that to kind of go over what's going on in our shop. That little noise you hear over there, that's the water pump for the boiler that heats this shop. But anyway, we try to keep it all about motivation. Here, let me get, put stuff around that's keeping people rocking, that's keeping people motivated, like right over here. Look at this. Here's our board. It's got all our goals and stuff on it, and advancement information. But look, see? Just something subtle, something there everywhere for people to look at, instead of this drab shop that has no meaning. We're trying to share a purpose with people. This one's "We Are a Family." Here, I'll get my hand out of the way. You can try to read that behind those weed eater racks. You can pause it to get that. This wall has them posted up here. More sayings, more things that we kind of are committed to, that we want to, we want to have, we want to do. Keep rocking and rolling. Look at that. Your job changes lives. Do you go to a place every day that your job changes a life, or do you just go to a place every day where you mow grass? It's a big thing for us, is like, we're doing these services to save people time to make their lives better. Every minute that we save, every hour we save, if that's an hour a week you've got to mow and maintain your lawn, that's an hour you get back with your kids. So, why wouldn't you be sharing with your employees that we're making other families better? We're giving, everybody's got a job from this stuff. And the real value we bring is we make lives better. If we install a landscape, we make a better place for them to enjoy their life. We don't just make this cool patio that looks nice. It's about their lifestyle, how they get to enjoy it, how it enhances that for them. It's all about value. So here's the next one. We are parents, brothers, sisters, and friends. We know how to improve their lives. I'm gonna walk you through the whole shop. So that's what we've got there. I think this one right here. Gary Vaynerchuk. One up here. The true story begins when our job ends. We create the backdrop for their memories. Look at all this. Look at all the value this puts. Come in. We're awesome. Office hours. It's getting a little torn up. It needs to get straightened back out. Up here, another one. Your greatness is only limited by the investments you make in yourself. Words that can't be truer. Some of this stuff, it's awesome to get to share this with our employees. Some of these sayings, some of these things we've learned. Let's go into the office. Oh, and by the way, 2019 goals. This is an awesome shop. It's our home, though. It's a big inside shop. Got a big barn. Got 2.5 acres. But the business has grown to a point where I bought this place and you can enjoy it. I've got a wife and kids, and we're going to be shooting, or we are going to have a shop next season that is out of here. We might keep some materials and this be some area to do a little bit of stuff, but people are going to show up to an extra shop this year. Here's another one in the office. We are a family. I think that's the one that's in the other thing. Keep going. Be proud, be kind. Can't hardly see that. I turned my light off. Org chart for the year. Who's taking care of business, how we're doing it. Sweet sign that my friend makes. This is turning into an office and shop tour, but basically it's about the signs. Someone asked about all the signs. Another one about we are the family, right here. Make positivity louder. The secret ingredient to winning. Outwork everyone else. Gary Vee is the man. Another Gary Vee. Look at that. Look at that. Squeeze the F out of it, man. You only get one chance. Why wouldn't you give it your all? Another give value, give value. Let's see what else we got here. I think that might be it. Like I said, I wanted to walk you around, try to get a little light in here. goals on the board for the year, job board and how that works. God forbid I show this and somebody sees a first name and a last initial. I've had someone say something to me about that before, like you would ever know who it is. But Zoe's desk, all her pictures, more positivity. Melanie's desk, shop cameras. There's not as much stuff up here. Still, they keep it pretty positive. They like keeping pictures on everything. We've ran out of office space was our biggest reason for this shop move, and I want a better storefront for people to show up to. I've found something that I really am very interested in, and the biggest thing, if I could give one piece of advice that I'm kind of rolling all this together, is in life I've kept doing things that I didn't think I could do. Like, I didn't think I could afford this place when I moved here. We killed it. It was easy to afford. I'm having that same fear about a shop now, and I don't see how we could ever afford that. And it would be a smaller increase than when we came here. And this was something that once it happened, it's crazy. I didn't think I could afford an office person at first. And then I didn't think I could afford 2 office people. Now I don't think I can afford 3, and that's what we're wanting to do. We're gonna have 3 girls in the office. One girl's actually gonna be probably running a lot of our stuff. Zoe already runs the whole show. I mean, we keep pushing. The wife is really hard on pushing me on this stuff because we know, you put yourself out there and you go and shoot for these things, and a lot of times you think you have fear and it's false expectations appearing real, and you don't think you can do it because of that. And that's what holds a lot of people back. But when you go out there, I've said it a million times, you gotta kind of be the answer man and create new problems and then come up with the answers on how to fix them. That's when things truly start to explode. That's when you experience awesome growth and really cool things happen in your business. So we're gonna keep pushing into that. We're gonna get a better office. Might try to, I don't know, huge goals for 2019. Might even list those out. We do a little chat on Goat Gang every night where everybody reads their goals, and I might even have to throw that down on here. So if anybody would be interested in my 2019 and personal goals, ask me. I'll do a YouTube video on them and read them. As for now, that's the word on the signs. That's what we have in the shop. We like to keep it positive, and we want to keep everybody motivated. And it's a huge thing to me, and it matters to me that people know why we're doing this, and it's more than just to make some money. It's to enrich everything as a whole. Guys, I wish you the best 2019. Let's do this.